So today's Saturday. You guys know who this is. Who are you? Give us a fake name. Give us an alias. Oh, they're about to pass some. We're at this crawfish boil. I'm about to be full. Just had one hurricane, just need one more and it's a wrap.
Mark Keys on the saxophone joining us for the songs, everybody.
What happened that we're not getting any? This gumbo is live. Are we getting skipped? Maybe they're saving the best for last.
They're gonna be going in house for like configuration and stuff, so I'm gonna break out the pop right now.
What is that? Motherfucker, we all paid $35.
He had the bucket, he will break out.
He did. Maybe because it was just me. Oh, you guys can't see me because of the sun. Aren't they amazing? I'm gonna go get me another hurricane because it's too lit. And the best thing about crawfish is you get to suck the head. We got nothing. He just skipped us again. After we got the bare bottom. It is literally us. Right. Since we started here. I don't know what you did.
I had to point out the obvious.
Okay, good. Yeah,
There's nobody out yet. You will learn today.
Hey, baby. Well, you can't seem to get a refill.
I got my beard on.
Oh, I got this fake for hurricane. It's fake. Whoa. Whoa. And I got some red wine too.
What kind of wine is that?
Merlot. Merlot. What would the French say? Merlot. Merlot. So our pile is mad empty.
It's not a fucking name.
Happened last year, the year before. That happened.
Oh yeah. Well, she doesn't
The year before we were eating, and it was like, ouch.
No, that wasn't me.
No, it wasn't you. It was somebody.
We got it for the past 3 years.
Yeah.
This was just a very disappointing experience.
They ran out at 4:07, and then they didn't refill us.
Well, yeah, I mean,
just
they
forgot
stopped
that we
serving
were
crawfish at 4, but
Not
like we didn't
refill
get any new crawfish after like 3:15.
There's still some colons on the table.
Yeah, because we
And it was
we
little
bought-
ones.
They gave us the little fucking shit.
Yeah.
Like the craw, not the fish, just the craw.
One time they dumped out a pot and it was basically corn, potatoes, and like crawfish legs.
All the carbs that we don't need.
Bits and pieces of a crawfish. So,
And apparently our friend has negotiated something for us.
Oh yeah, Candace.
Well, you have to talk
Was
to
here?
Ty, because Ty's right here.
He talked to the bartender.
Ta-da! Oh, that remember me?
Yeah.
I had a friend named Ty.
She
Ta-da!
complained to the bartender and he was like, we'll get you guys some free rounds and some appetizers and stuff. And then Candace was like, y'all go, I gotta leave.
So we're like, we ain't gonna get no free nigga.
So we called you here so you can partake in the round.
So you was at the Crawfish too.
If you need a bracelet, just let me know. Yeah, I'm just saying.
It's a nice day.
Did you have Palm Springs? And he told me no. Do you want to go to Palm Springs?
Oh, I've been to Palm Springs. I just came back.
How was it?
Went in January, cold.
Yeah, let's go.
But it was fun. We went like Palm Springs would be a good look for you guys, couples trip wise.
Like 12, 13, 14, 15.
Sorry, I'm busy.
What did he just threaten you with?
Nothing. I'm not even texting. I'm not busy.
9 minutes.
I'm down to go.
Palm Springs
I
is
never
a couple
went,
trip.
so.
Me neither. I've always wanted to go and be like in the desert and have a pool at the house and just like
Get a pool,
and have one of
go
the big
golfing.
flamingos and take a good picture for Instagram.
go golfing, go RTVing.
I want to go
Some
RTC.
caftans and sun hats.
Asa Cafe. You have to get an Asa
And
Cafe.
It's
just
very
have
slow.
this look the whole time.
That
So when
would be
is
a
Palm
glass
Springs
of
really
wine.
gonna get like fucking hot? I went in January. It was like this weather. It gets really hot when?
I've never been.
Oh, okay. You guys go when it's hot. Don't go January.
Or we could go to Boca,
Do that.
Florida.
Do that after the Palm Springs.
Because I feel like it's basically like Palm Springs to the East Coast.
Let's go there.
I know. I feel like you guys should go to Palm Springs first.
Sign me up.
Oh wait. How much time do I have? Let me get my shit together. All right, y'all. We are wrapping up at what's this place called? Acadiana. You know, we had some ups and downs. My experience is generally they have a lot of good food. I mean, this particular event wasn't like 100%, but I mean, I would do it again if my friends recommended who have been here previously. So if you want all their full scoop, all of what the review is, then leave a comment below and I will connect you because these guys know what to do in DC. So you just hit me up and I can connect you guys, whether social media and all that is. Right now I'm going to continue this Saturday. I'm going to go visit a homegirl, see how she's doing. She just came out of the hospital, but her family's in town and they're making all of this unique cuisine. So I'll tell you guys about that, okay? All right, see you soon. Bye.